Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Radisa Sisi, ang inyong lingkod. Ayan guys, update tayo kay Rina guys. Paalis na si Rina guys, papunta ng Hong Kong. Bago siya makatingin sa Hong Kong guys, dumaan pa siya kay Ma'am Rowinim. Ayan, nagkita na talaga sila ni Ma'am Rowinim guys. Ayan, mahal na mahal kay ni Ma'am Rowinim si Rina. Sana po tuloy-tuloy na yan Ma'am Rowinim. Thank you very much, Ma'am Rowinim. Welcome kayo sa iyo, Serena. Salamat kayo sa lahat ng mga pasalubong sa kanya. Hello po. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ni Rina, guys. Ngayon dyan, guys, bibihisan si Rina dyan ni Rowinim bago magpunta sa Hong Kong. Kinabukasan, magpunta yan siya sa Hong Kong. Ayan po, guys. Andyan si Ma'am Rowinim. Panoorin natin po ang pagbibihis ni Rina. Ito na po si Rina. Ayan, ang ganda ni Rina, guys. Tingnan mo, guys, Rina. Dalagan-dalaga na talaga, no? Ayan. Ano siya? Slim. Wow. Very sexy ni Rina. Ay, hi. Ang ganda talaga ni Rina, guys. Tingnan mo. Bagay na bagay sa kanya ang suot.
Yan po, nagkasya
naman po yung
shoes natin.
Good. Very good kasi Ma'am Rowinim magpili sa mga pangsuot ni Rina.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Subscribe my channel. Baby ko, kamusta ka na? Ako ba iniisip mo pa? Baby ko, hanggang saan tamis ng iyong pagmamahal? Ako ba iyong mahihintay sa kabila ng ating mga away? Kung sakaling ayaw mo na sa akin, bibigo patuloy kang mamahalin. Kung sino ba ang may kasalanan sa ating dalawa, kung sa tingin mo ay baby, pinatawad na kita. At kung ako ang dahilan na mga away. Kung sakali ayaw mo na sa akin, baby ko, patuloy kang mamahalin. Kung sino man ang may kasalanan sa ating dalawa, kung sa tingin mo ay ikaw, baby, pinatawad na kita. At kung ako ang dahilan ng ating pagkakalayo, baby ko, patawarin mo ako. Baby ko, patawarin mo ako. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.
Beautiful girl,
Kamukha daw kayo mga
wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door.
loting na grabe.
Knew that I'd loved again, after a long, long while, I'd loved again.
Grabe iyak ni Ma'am William kanina.
You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd loved again, after a long, long while, I loved again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line, only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I've loved again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line, only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night.
Yes, sabi mo yes.
Now that I've loved again, after a long, long while, I've loved again, and I'm glad that it's you.
Naiyak ka.
Beautiful.
Support ako sa baby mo.
It's hard for me to say the things I want to say sometimes. There's no one here but you and me in that broken old street by you.
Thank you. I love you.
Lock the doors, we leave the world outside. All I've got to give to you are these 5 words when I thank you
So pretty.
for loving me.
Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow my page. Bye guys! To God be the glory. Yay! Ang saya!
I never knew I had a dream until that dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the sky's a different blue. Across my heart, I wear no disguise. If I tried, you